In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate Trello with Microsoft To Do using Zapier. This is perfect if you manage projects in Trello but want your personal or team tasks to automatically appear in Microsoft To Do without copying everything manually. Once this is set up, every time a card is created or moved in Trello, a task will instantly be created in Microsoft To Do. It's a huge time saver and keeps your workflow fully synchronized. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is sign in to your Zapier account. Head over to zapier.com and log in. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free. Zapier is the automation tool that will connect Trello and Microsoft To Do together. Once you're logged in, click on the Create Zap button. A zap is simply an automated workflow that connects two apps. Every zap has a trigger, which starts the automation, and an action, which is what happens as a result. For the trigger app, search for and select Trello. Now you need to choose a trigger event. You can select something like New Card if you want a task created every time a new Trello card is added. Or you can choose Card Moved to List if you only want tasks created when a card reaches a specific stage in your workflow, such as a Done or Ready list. Select the option that best matches how you manage your boards. Next, connect your Trello account to Zapier. Follow the prompts to sign in and authorize access. Once connected, choose the Trello board you want Zapier to monitor. Then select the specific list if your trigger requires one. This tells Zapier exactly where to watch for activity. After that, click Test Trigger. Zapier will look for an existing Trello card to make sure everything is working correctly. If the test is successful and you can see a sample card pulled in, you're ready to move on. Now it's time to set up the action. For the Action app, search for Microsoft To Do and select it. For the action event, choose Create Task. This means whenever the Trello trigger runs, Zapier will create a new task in Microsoft To Do automatically. Next, connect your Microsoft account. Sign in and authorize Zapier to access Microsoft To Do. Once connected, you'll be able to choose which task list you want the new tasks to be added to, such as your default tasks list or a specific custom list. Now comes the important part, mapping the fields. In the task title field, select the Trello card name so that the task in Microsoft To Do matches the card title. You can also map the Trello card description to the task notes field if you want more detail to carry over. If your Trello cards use due dates, map the due date field as well so deadlines stay aligned across both platforms. Once everything is mapped, click Test Action. Zapier will create a sample task in Microsoft To Do so you can confirm that everything looks correct. Open Microsoft To Do and verify that the task appears with the right title, description, and due date. If everything looks good, go back to Zapier and click Turn on Zap. Your automation is now live. From this point forward, every Trello card that meets your selected trigger conditions will automatically create a task in Microsoft To Do. No more manual copying, no more missed tasks, and a much smoother workflow between project management and personal task tracking. That's it. You've successfully integrated Trello with Microsoft To Do using Zapier. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials that make your digital tools work better together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.